Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Wolf and her sister Fox, chapter 16. So, here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Xiaojun. Right now, it's really ridiculous. It's obviously took over ancestors 10,000 of years to evolve from the beast to beastmen and abandon their beastly behavior, but it happened to live Esther's period. Only increased worries and pain. Right now, UNC. You want to be touched, kissed, and filled. Well, she feel uncomfortable. Need to take a medicine. Fast, I always found a hidden place to hide and bend my energy. But this time, I really couldn't hold it any longer. Maybe you should really listen to Sibai and the others to find someone to make easy for you. Well, right now, Xiaojun, she went inside to the bathroom. Door is squeaking. Now, she's going to find UNC. Now, seems she was uncomfortable. Xiaojun, I will be a bother to you. I'm afraid I will hurt you, so leave now. UNC said to Xiaojun, but Xiaojun went to see her and gave her a medicine. Xiaojun said, drink it, it will make you feel much better. Well, it seems that you need to take a medicine, be able to subside symptom, having estrus. Sister, have you recovered? Xiaojun asking UNC. UNC answered and said, Well, finally, she already calmed down. Xiaojun, let me leave. Why my sister always said she would never leave Xiaojun, but she still have to leave every time. Is there something I did wrong? Was it the potions that made thoughts notice it? Because if I stay here, you will get hurt. But I don't care. I just want to be my sister. Xiaojun said to her. Right now, Wensi, I want to push away Xiaojun's away from her. That's why she is asking she will let her to leave. UNC said, I know myself. Well, technically, every time she's having estrus, tendency, a beast mode, is really getting high. She is afraid that she might hurt Xiaojun in the future. Xiaojun, she's calling her elder sister. Right now, Xiaojun, she was dreaming. She was calling UNC on her dreams. Seeing this, UNC see her. She already wake up. Xiaojun is sleeping on her side. Forget it, don't wake her up. Xiaojun, right now, she was still sleeping. UNC right now, she already awake. I closed my new cell phone. It's great. It's all there. Well, right now, turns out everything, her belongings, returned back by Xiaojun. Right now, UNC said, I need to go out quietly and take a look. Is this the foot of the mountain? Sibai and the others a call while you have a signal. Well, right now, UNC want to move quickly so she can get away from her. Hey Sibai, are you okay over there? Oops, please stop hiding from me. Said, you were attracted by a little beauty and it was love at first sight. Well, right now, seems that everything is set up by Xiaojun. If there's nothing else, just hang up Earth. You've gone out to have fun and lately, all the work has fallen to me. Now, no, just wait. She can do anything. Right now, UNC, everything is settled by Xiaojun. What a mess. These wolf cubs. Sister, what are you doing? Finally, Xiaojun already wake up. Oh, nothing. Make a phone call with the younger brothers and explain some work matters. Why this strange tension? Right now, UNC is not feeling at ease. If it's not urgent, sister, please accompany me to amusement park to ride the Ferris wheel. Sister, didn't you say you wanted to come to the amusement park? Yes, playground. Come on, let's go ride the Ferris wheel now. After finished talking, the two of them went to the playground. Is the playground also your family's property? The top and bottom of this mountain belongs to the Jian family. Jian family is really from the wealthy family. They are really rich people. It's because of being such an environment. Xiaojun changed. Well, UNC, she was thinking. Well, right now, Xiaojun is a little different from before. Of course, it's been a finest right now. According to what Sibai said, someone had already prepared in advance, even greeted the sponsor, took me away from Xiaojun. Well, right now, in fact, Shouldn't have come to ride the Ferris wheel at this time. Xiaojun, she was telling UNC, but UNC got surprised. Well, she really is right now. A lot of fussle and happening. The original plan, my sister would not wake up so early. Then we have to experience other project first. The venue will be clear today. I'm completely tired from playing. I'll sit on Ferris wheel and about 7 o'clock, we'll prepare grand fireworks at you. Sorry, Xiaojun. Didn't know. UNC said to her. Well, Xiaojun. Right now, UNC. Of course, sister couldn't guess. I was thinking because I wanted to give you a surprise, so I hid it well. In fact, it's not that my sister can guess it, just doesn't want to think about it carefully. Now she feels sorry. Did guess that Xiaojun had other thoughts and purposes. It's no guessing what Xiaojun is thinking. Whether it's because she is afraid, because she no longer likes Xiaojun. Now, this is bad. My sister is a liar while talking to me, wanting to be with me forever. You are always like this. Gave you a chance. You hadn't been thinking about everything, about leaving me. I don't need my company now. 6 years ago, I also imagined that I would leave you forever. After all, I'm only your family. Later someone take my place and do it better. Right now, UNC. You grow up. This is enough for me. Xiaojun, do you also understand me? Already calmed down, trying to please Xiaojun, suddenly has something on herself. It looks like she's not uncomfortable. Oh, is the medicine is not working? Is this esters again? Well, Xiaojun. Sister, are you feeling uncomfortable? What a coincidence, the short-acting inhibitor has failed. You, that medicine. UNC, she was really uncomfortable. UNC said, we are relatives. Xiaojun said to her. Move closer to her, whispering on her. Well, Xiaojun, I want to be your lover. Said to UNC. Will you give me this chance, sister UNC? Xiaojun said to her. But right now, UNC, trying herself to calm down. It's not really working. Huh? Why do you want to? Right now, UNC is asking Xiaojun. Xiaojun, she keep herself a company. Sister, what do you want to ask? Right now, you're so cute. Oh, you. Looks really pitiful, really vulnerable. Ha, I know my sister is thinking. This bad woman is definitely not Xiaojun's that you raised, right? Well, UNC. Right now, she get this by Xiaojun. But just to submit to her. Well, she really looked invulnerable. Xiaojun said to her. Well, this is getting tricky. So, a lot of good things in the future for the two of them. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!